Elitech LM-200 split-type lux meter. The professional instrument is perfect for measuring light intensity and temperature in environments from factories and offices to schools. First, ensure the battery is installed. Long press the power button to power on. To turn on the backlight for dark environments, just press the power button briefly. Remove the lens cover and expose the covered sensor, which will display values based on the light intensity immediately. To freeze the reading, press the hold button. Press it again to release. Long press the hold button to enter setting. You can set the manual storage function to be on or off and the automatic storage function to be on or off. Automatic storage, manual storage cannot be turned on at the same time. Default is manual storage enabled. Support unit switching, with illumination units switching from lux to FC, and temperature units switching from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Automatic shutdown function on or off. After setting, long press the mode button to return. Press the mode button to cycle between maximum, minimum, and real time. Press the diff button to lock the current value and show the difference. Positive numbers indicate an increase in real-time values. Short press the diff key again to return.